Hello everyone, my name is VEYSEL YULMAZ. Today I'm going to present to you my graduation project, which is Advanced Diabetes Application powered by Artificial Intelligence. The advanced application part means our application written in professional way with a lot of features. The artificial intelligence part means that we trained an AI model and we embedded this AI model in our application. So our project consists of three parts. The first part is Android application part. Our application written in Kotlin language with clean architecture using up-to-date technologies. The second part is artificial intelligence part. So our AI model can predict future glucose values from the past values. The third part of our project is server-side support with Firebase. So with the server-side support, we have multi-user experience, which enables the users save their data to the cloud and access this data from multiple devices. So our problem is diabetes, which is a huge problem. By 2019, 463 million adults have diabetes, and this number is expected to surge to 700 million by 2045. So we need self-management tools such as electronic health records and self-monitoring of glucose values of the patients, especially for patients who are newly diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So our applications has three main features. The first feature is the glucose tracking feature. Patients can monitor their own values. They can enter their glucose values to application and they can access these values from multiple devices, but also they can add other people and they can observe the values of other people. This enables health professionals and relatives of the patients to monitor, to observe the health status of patients. The second feature of our application is educational content. So we have here an advanced educational content, always easily accessible to the patient, which contains information that patient may need. So third part, the prediction part. So by prediction to future glucose values, we can anticipate dangerous situations and also we can save lives. This is an important part because by predicting future glucose values, we can take measures and we can stop these dangerous situations. So when we enter our application, we have the first page we encounter is the sign in and login screen. Here we have three options. We can enter our application with email. Also we can enter our application with the Google account, and finally we can enter our application with the phone number. Here we can see we can select our Google account in this page. Here we can enter our email, we can sign up and we can enter our email and our password and enter the application. The third option is the phone number way. We can enter our phone number. We receive 6-number notification. We enter this number to the application and we enter our application. So here we can see our tracking chart feature. Here patients can enter and they can monitor their own values, but also they can add other people and then they can observe other people's values. Here our patients enter 3 friends here. They can see the other people's values, but of course they cannot change the values of other people. They can only change or add their own values to chart. So here we can see at left a patient enter a new value to his or her chart. At right, other people monitors this patient and they can receive instantly the new values. They can observe the values and health status of the patient instantly in a synchronized way. Here our educational catalog. At left we can see in portrait mode, at right we can see in landscape mode. We have a lot of major topics with a lot of contents. At right, patients can access this page with a big screen. They can swipe these screens with fingers or they can use buttons. So here our AI page. We can see here we adding our values, our glucose values manually, but these values can be received from other devices via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and as we can see here from the past values, our trained AI model predict a new future value. Of course we can add new devices to our application, but currently we're adding these values manually, so this is only to prove the concept. If we have diabetic devices, we can connect easily these devices to our application. So here we can see our model works fine actually. At the next part, in the artificial intelligence part, we can see here we trained our model with Dynamo dataset. This dataset contains a lot of data. This dataset has 29 people, 9 of them are patient and 20 of them are healthy people. We only interested with glucose measurements, but also this dataset contains other type of information collected with various of devices here. So we use RNN, LSTM and neural national networks. We trained our model with these 3 type of networks and we compare our values. Here we can see we trained our models with 1 layer and 2 layer. We can see here 2 layer RNN, LSTM and gyro. Also BRNN, BLSTM and BGYRO networks, and additionally convolutional RNN, convolutional LSTM and convolutional gyro. We train our model with attention and without attention here. Our best result is gyro 2 layer gyro with attention. Here we can see RMSA value 9.88. We use this model because this is our best result. We use this model in our application. We embedded this model in our application. So the third part is the server-side support with the global Firebase. This part is important because we use Dynamo dataset to train our model, but we can collect our own data from the users. We can collect their glucose values from the users in a synchronized way, and also we can make analysis and statistics measurements on these values with the server-side support. Here we can see various analytics statistics. So in a way we can make our own research instantly. We can see here this can help to develop new technologies from the obtained data. This can be very useful because we can access various kind of information from the users and we can use this information easily. So this is the end. Thank you for watching. See you soon.